Jawad Karim is an American computer scientist and internet entrepreneur of Bangladeshi German descent. He is the co-founder of YouTube and the first person to upload a video to the site. This inaugural video, titled Me at the Zoo, uploaded on 23 April 2005, has been viewed about 90 million times as of April 2020. During Karim's time working at PayPal, where he met the fellow YouTube co-founders Stephen Chen and Chad Hurley, he had designed many of the core components, including its real-time anti-internet fraud system. Karim was born on 28 October 1979 in Merseburg, East Germany, to a German mother and Bangladeshi father. He was the elder of two boys. He crossed the inner German border with his family in the early 1980s because of xenophobia, growing up in Neuss, West Germany. Experiencing xenophobia there as well, Karim moved with his family to St. Paul, Minnesota, in 1992. He graduated from St. Paul Central High School and later attended the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.